In this video, I will show you how you can easily do recurring jobs or cron jobs with JobRunr. For JobRunr, a recurring job is a special job that will be transformed at each cron instance to a normal job. So that's how you can easily know the difference between a recurring job and a normal job. So let's dive right into it. In this case, my service, my method, we will call it recurringly every 2 hours or for example every day at 2 p.m. Let's do that. So what do I need to do in this case? Well, we already have the example with the job scheduler. In this case, we just say, okay, job scheduler, schedule recurrently. And because of course everybody likes cron expressions. Personally, I do not like them. I find them really difficult. There is a really easy way in JobRunr to create cron expressions. And what you can do is you can say cron daily and then the time where you want to run your job in this case. And as we again want to use the my service, what do I just need to do is X, which is again an instance of my service. If I start this now, what we will see is that JobRunr will have inside the dashboard a recurring job with the job name that we configured, and it will launch at 2 p.m. each day in our time zone. So the next run will be 2 hours from now. If we go to the jobs, we will see that it's already scheduled ahead of time. So this is a big difference with JobRunr v7 and v8, where in the past JobRunr v7 would launch the recurring jobs right before the moment they needed to run. We now pre-compute all your recurring jobs already and schedule them ahead of time. Of course, we can still trigger them via the dashboard trigger, and then the recurring job will instantly be enqueued and start running. And that's how you do recurring job processing in JobRunr.